Welcome to Warren Woods. Springtime in the woodland, a most magical time. I've sat here on the woodland floor, leaning against the beech tree, which is strong, supportive, and gives me assurance. It's my sit spot, where I'm going to spend a little while here with you, just listening to the sounds of the woods, the birds and the canopy, the humming of the insects, bees busy collecting honey and pollen. I'll leave you for a few minutes just to enjoy the surroundings and share into the sounds of the woodland. Canopy of the trees, different shades of green against the blue sky, peace, tranquility, listen to the sounds, some nearby, some further afield. Still some bluebells on the woodland floor. Daffodils already gone. Just relax, breathe in the fresh air, the clean air. Feel how it enters your body. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in, feel the air entering your lungs, giving you new energy. And breathe out, letting all the tension and stress go. Why not find your own little sit spot? Can be in your garden, and just find a comfortable seat and spend some time listening to the sounds surrounding you. Or if you're lucky to have a woodland nearby, go out into the woods and enjoy nature. Spring nature at its best. I leave you here to listen to the sounds that surround me just for a little while until we meet again.